that journeyed with Christ for 3 good years
oṣù mẹ́fà
and 6 months
pẹ̀lú gbogbo ìyanu tó ṣe.
with all that happened to him,
Lójú ẹ̀
that
ni
he
wọn.
did, all the miracle he performed in
Ó
their
tún retí
presence.
pé tí ìbá rí ẹ̀gún ojú ẹ̀.
Yet he's still expecting some confirmation.
Ẹni ẹ̀dẹ́gẹ́rẹ́ màá rí nǹkan tàbí gun lórí.
I will see the mark and the scar on him,
Ẹni sùúrù nǹkan tàbí gun lọ́wọ́.
and that thing that was in his hand.
Gbogbo ẹ̀yìn á ṣí fún mi.
I want to see all the mark and scar on the
Àti
body,
nǹkan tàbí gun lẹ́sẹ̀.
and that's mark, scar of the
Ó
name.
lè nígbàgbọ́ pé òun ní
Before I can believe,
báwo nìwọ náà ṣe nígbàgbọ́ sí.
how is your faith also?
Ǹjẹ́ ṣo mọ Ọlọ́run?
Do you know God at all?
Ǹjẹ́ ṣo mọ Ọlọ́run tó?
Do you know the God you are
Ọmọ
serving?
orú Ọlọ́run tó ń ké pè.
Do you know the God you are
Ọmọ
calling?
orú Ọlọ́run tó gbé ẹ
You know
sókè.
the kind of God that is
Ọmọ
expecting.
orú Ọlọ́run tó ṣiṣẹ́ ìyanu láàyè.
You know the kind of that don't
Àwọn
have
ọmọ
to
Ísírẹ́lì
yesterday.
retí àmì ní gbogbo ìgbà.
The Israel are expecting miracle every
Nígbà
time.
tí wọn ò bá ti rí àmì.